Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City. I want to talk a little bit about the fourth quarter of 2020. Now, this year has been, as I've said many times before, is the most unpredictable year in the history of the United States, as far as I'm concerned. Every time you think something is going to happen in a particular way, it doesn't happen. So no one expected the housing market to do that well. But what happened is Oklahoma City went out of lockdown into phase 3 on June 1st. And at the same time, the federal government, through the Federal Reserve, was keeping interest rates low, and they kept going lower in crazy interest rates. And so it unleashed a very powerful force, not only with investors, the numbers that I've never seen before in my 31 years of selling to investors, but millennials were buying like crazy. So inventory kept dropping in very, very large numbers. So homes were selling within a day with multiple offers over the listed price. And so where we are right now in October is now finally getting to be a little bit different. So what sold in a day with those multiple offers are now maybe selling in 5 days, or maybe it's 2 weeks without getting an offer where it finally sells. So more of what I normally expect in Oklahoma City. Now, part of that is due to the fact that inventory is so low. If there's not things to buy, what are people going to do? And in new construction, once the existing construction was exhausted, we saw affordable housing, new construction, go through the same routine, and developers are way behind in getting properties ready for houses to be built. And so in a lot of new construction, we're waiting even till January before construction starts. That's how far behind it is. So the thing is that inventory is starting to creep up again a little bit. Houses are not getting the automatic multiple offers. And so we're seeing a little bit of abatement. I'm starting to see builders come back to me and saying, hey, can you sell a few things for us? Now, some of those are above 200,000, but they still return very, very well. So my expectations is that the fourth quarter is going to be a normal fourth quarter. September was abnormal. Normally September is slow, but the fourth quarter is typically the slowest time, especially as we get to the holiday season with Thanksgiving and Christmas. I'm expecting things to go back to normal. There are opportunities out there. Maybe they're not in huge quantities, but if you're looking for an investment property, we're still being very careful. We don't want you to overbuy. We don't want you to buy overpriced homes. But believe me, we are diligent out there looking every day, and we are finding some good value. So if you're willing to go ahead and get with us on investing in property, fourth quarter is going to be a really, really good time because there are less buyers at this point to compete against.